Yeah, okay. With all of you here, I'll just share the screen now. Yeah. Can you all see the screen, all of you? Pritiban dikh raha hai? हाँ. So see, basically this is based on a South Indian chart, where this is your first Rashi, second Rashi, third Rashi, sixth Rashi, ninth Rashi, 12th Rashi. Okay. Now, when you say this Rashi, now you change it to house. Mean this is your first house, this is your second house. So when you say that, let's say your third house has got activated, or let's make it simple. Let's say your first house has got activated. Your first house is which house for your mother? ये 10 दिख रहा है क्यों है समझ लो एक मिनट. See, mother is here, fourth house. So if you count from here, you remember I told you how to do the shortcut. ये 7 हो गया, 8, 9, 10. So your first house is the 10th house for the mother. If you look at the father, your first house is father ka 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth house for the father. So let us just take for the sake mother ka, let us say. Okay. So if your first house has got activated, something related to the 10th house of your mother has got activated. What is the 10th house of the mother? Profession, status in society. Okay. So karmastan, that has got activated. So similarly, if you go to see, we'll just take one example and you'll understand. Older siblings. Older sibling is which house? 11th house. If you remember, younger sibling is third house, older sibling is 11th house. अगर तुम्हारा फर्स्ट हाउस एक्टिवेट हो गया तो तुम्हारे ओल्डर सिबलिंग का 1, 2, थर्ड हाउस एक्टिवेट हो गया. नहीं, उसका कुछ कम्युनिकेशन, उसका सम डॉक्यूमेंटेशन, उसका कम शॉर्ट ट्रैवल, वो सब शुरू हो गया. younger sibling is third house. So if your first house has got activated, तुम्हारे younger sibling का कौन सा हो गया? इससे डायरेक्टली हमें 7th, 8, 9, 10th, 11th हाउस. तुम्हारा फर्स्ट हाउस ऑन हो गया तो तुम्हारे स्पाउस का कौन सा हो गया? 7th हाउस, डायमेट्रिकली ऑपोजिट. तुम्हारा फर्स्ट हाउस हो गया तो तुम्हारा मदर इन लॉ को कौन सा हो गया? अभी मदर इन लॉ कौन सा? मदर की मदर, फोर्थ का फोर्थ. सो 1, 2, 3, 4. See, mother is 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, mother-in-law I did. Mother-in-law is who? Wife's mother. Wife's mother. So wife ka 1, 2, 3, 4. So mother-in-law becomes which house? 1, 2, 3, 4. Your first house becomes your mother-in-law's fourth house. Difficult? नहीं समझा? प्रीति बहन, you want me to repeat again? हाँ. You take your grandfather from the father, grandmother from the father's side. Okay, grandmother from the father's side. मैं कैसे देखने का? Father is 9th house. उसकी mother में 1, 2, 3, 4. Your house, your first house becomes the second house for the paternal grandmother. So if you remember this, I had said in the first lecture, कि we don't realize when you say your 12th house has got activated, your 12th house has got activated means it might be the grandmother from the father's side ka something has got activated. And let us say this house has got activated, the third house. It is the grandmother ka 1, 2, 3, 4, uska property has got activated. So something related to the grandmother's property could have got activated. You understand? This is the chart. I will put it on the group. What you can do is you can experiment on this and see. See how I want to use this is basically ना, अभी समझो किसी का घुटने में एक्सीडेंट हो गया, घुटना टूट गया, लेट अस से नी. सो नी मुझे 10th हाउस हो गया. When this person's 10th house has got hit, his mother's 7th house has got hit. म्हणजे something related to her business could have got hit. Okay. Now that 7th house is also the father's second house. See, mother's 7th house has got hit, mother's spouse has got hit. Your father's second house has got hit. Second is what? Bank balance. So maybe if we put both of this together, if the father's bank balance has got hit for some reason, that has affected the mother's seventh house. So you getting hit on the knee, maybe your father has got a big amount in the bank. Suddenly किधर से deposit? Why look at bad things? Let's look at good things. कि बड़ा amount deposit हो गया. That has affected the seventh house of the mother because that is the father. ऐसे सब उसका गणित लग सकता है. Now what I'm doing right now is whenever some event has happened, I'm trying to see what has happened over here, over there. One person we asked in between, so she had met with an accident, and I said, तुम्हारे father का कुछ loss हुआ है क्या करके? Because her eighth house was hit. Because accident is eighth house. एट्थ हाउस हिट हुआ यानी फादर का 12th हाउस एक्टिवेट हो गया. फादर का 12th हाउस मुझे लॉस, एंड शी सेड दैट सम प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ हिज समथिंग लाइक दैट हैड गॉट इवैक्यूएशन करना पड़ा और समथिंग लाइक दैट, वो लॉस हुआ. सो यू अंडरस्टैंड द लिंक. So this is what I am doing. So this I will share with you all. You all can experiment on that and see. Okay. Now you will go to the other. हाँ तृप्ति.
हाँ, तू म्हणतो जेव्हा हाऊस ऍक्टिव्हेट झालंय का, इट मीन्स वी नीड टू चेक की ते महादशा आहे का.
नाही म्हणजे सी हाऊस हॅज गॉट ऍक्टिव्हेटेड. द हाऊस लॉर्ड कुड हॅव गॉट ऍक्टिव्हेटेड किंवा द हाऊस मधले दोज 5 थिंग्स बॉम्ब पडल्याचं. If house has got activated, that means either the house could have got activated, the house का राशि could have got activated, house का planet could have got activated, house का कस्पल sublord could have got activated, house का राशि lord could have got activated. म्हणजे हे 5 जे गोष्टी आहेत आपण जे बघतो, house, all those things that could have got activated. ना?
Okay.
But you look at it in a different way. Suppose a person's knee has got injured, फट करके 10th house has got activated. दुसरं काय बघायचीच गरज नाही. And one of those 5 would have surely got activated in the maps. That is in reverse. Now let me go to this one. Okay. Iska basically what did I said? What is the case? Headache tha ki toothache tha?
Toothache.
Iska toothache tha, I think, no?
हाँ, मला पाठवलेलंस ना?
Yeah.
I think you said toothache.
Yeah, toothache.
Yes, it was toothache.
Yeah. Okay. So basically, now if you see his dasha, okay, this was his Saturn, Venus, Mercury. Saturn, Venus, Mercury. ये फेज के अंदर था. हाँ, यही फेज चल रहा था ना. Saturn, Venus, Mercury. Okay. Now. Okay. By the way, Saturn is also the karak of tooth. But anyway, Saturn का अगर देखो इधर तो Saturn, what does this sign tell you? That it is untenanted. It will give its own result. Okay. Still, उसका नक्षत्र लॉर्ड जो दे रहा है वो मर्क्यूरी है. हाँ. Now उसके बाद में कौन सा है? Venus. तो Venus is tenanted. So Venus का कौन देने वाला है? Mars. बराबर. So, like I told you, you have to take the maps and the maps ka nakshatra lord also into this thing because those are the ones which are active now. One problem there dekhne ka na apne ko. So basically, Venus and Mars are active, and Mercury, which is a sukshma dasha, kidhar gaya Mercury? Mercury and Mars are active now. Barabar? So basically, these are the planets which are active at the moment. अब इनमें से कौन सा कल्प्रिट है वो देखने का. ओके. सो फर्स्ट व्हाट वी सी कि उसका जो हिट है टू द सेकंड हाउस. ओके. सेकंड हाउस हिट कोई दिख रहा है इधर इन द नेटल थिंग? कोई नहीं. ओके. सो नेक्स्ट वी सी द सेकंड हाउस का प्लैनेट्स. सेकंड हाउस का प्लैनेट्स कौन सा है? जुपिटर. ओके. नाउ इफ यू सी जुपिटर ओवर हियर, जुपिटर का कोई हिट दिख रहा है? कोई नहीं हिट इधर. ओके. जुपिटर को ट्रांजिट में कुछ दिख रहा है? सॉरी, कुछ नहीं है. बराबर. सो जुपिटर इज आल्सो सेफ. ओके. यू सी जुपिटर वर्टिकली, हॉरिजॉन्टली, इट इज सेफ. कुछ उसको नहीं हिट हुआ. देन यू गो टू सी सेकंड हाउस राशि. सेकंड हाउस राशि कौन सा है? मर्क्यूरी. 6th इज मर्क्यूरी. ओके. अभी इधर मर्क्यूरी देखो. मर्क्यूरी को कौन मार रहा है? पिंग पोंग कौन करे? मार्स, बरोबर। अभी इधर देखो, मर्क्यूरी को गोचर में कौन मार रहा है? मार्स। So if you remember, I told you last time that if in the natal it is showing some combo and the same thing is showing in your transit, that means that thing is happening. इधर उधर देखने का जरूरत ही नहीं है. Okay, Mars is something related to cuts and pain and hurt. So that toothache is Mars. Okay, so basically Mercury और Mars के बीच में पिंग पोंग चल रहा है. Here, Mercury and Mars. बरोबर. Now we have to find out who is the culprit and who is the victim. बरोबर. अभी इधर एक देखो, यह दशा किसका चल रहा था? मर्क्यूरी का. मर्क्यूरी का नक्षत्र लॉर्ड कौन है? मार्स है. मुझे सोर्स कौन है, बॉस कौन है? मर्क्यूरी. नक्षत्र लॉर्ड उसका जो ये है, दैट इज मार्स. ओके, नाउ इफ यू सी हियर, सॉरी, वेयर इज योर राशि चार्ट? मर्क्यूरी और मार्स का हिसाब किताब किधर है? देखो जरा. मार्स इधर बैठे है, मर्क्यूरी का राशि इधर है. So basically that is the 180 degrees over there. Okay, now basically we have to see the natal planets. So Mercury is seated here. ये जो है उसका planet इधर बैठा है, बरोबर. Now if we put, basically we are saying it is hitting the second house, right? Just pay attention over here. We are saying that the second house is hit, उसका दांत दुख रहा है. मर्क्यूरी भी उधर ही बैठा है, उसका राशि लॉर्ड इज मर्क्यूरी. द बॉस ऑफ दैट हाउस इज मर्क्यूरी. एक ध्यान में रखो, द राशि लॉर्ड इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द सिक्योरिटी एंड वेल बीइंग ऑफ दैट हाउस. ऐसे ध्यान में रखो. सो यू आर हिटिंग द राशि लॉर्ड ओनली, मर्क्यूरी. कहां से मार रहे हो? यहां से 180 डिग्री का हिट. सो इन आवर डॉट थियरी व्हाट डू? वी चेंज इट इनटू 120 डिग्री हिट. सो हाउ डू वी चेंज इट? 30, 60, 90, 120. So if I put Mars in the second Rashi, it will give a 30, 60, 90, 120 hit to the second house. Okay. So second Rashi, like I told you, is an ambiguous thing. Some people say head is 1 and neck is 2. Some people say head is 1 and face is 2 or something like that. That day I just told him to put a Mars, maybe a red dot, in the second राशि, that is neck. ये शाम को मैंने बोला था 5, 5:30 बजे. Next day morning 8:39 he calls me up to say that the pain, मुझे I asked him कि कैसा अभी? He said no, it is perfect. So I said that at least 20% कम हो गया क्या? He said what 20%? पूरा पेन ही निकल गया. There is no pain at all. No pain at all. And I told him point blank on the face, don't tell me just to please me, because then it is actually harming me. My calculations will go wrong. He says no, I'm telling you the truth. The pain has gone. And he's the same person, if you remember, who was suffering for many years from that piles, and there were lots of problems. And within a week or 10 days, that thing got totally sorted out. And now he told me that there is no problem at all. He was in horrible pain, and he's totally out of that pain. This toothache. Have you understood the analysis of this now? So this analysis which I give now,
Anish, you know what I have done? I did something differently. I'll just explain what I have done as. Okay, so I started that toothache.
You can do the annotation if you want.
Okay, no, annotation is not required. It's like, if I say it's okay. So toothache is the second house.
Correct.
Okay. Then Rashi is Gemini, 6th. Rashi Lord is Mercury. The planet is Jupiter.
What is Gemini?
No, I mean, see, I was just working. Rashi is 6th, no? That's Gemini. The Rashi Lord is Mercury.
6 is not Gemini, 6 is Virgo.
Oh, yes, it's Virgo.
And that is Mercury, that is correct. Rashi Lord is Mercury.
So the planet sitting is Jupiter.
Correct.
Now, Mercury is in retro, that's in second house. We'll see that right? So it's causing ache. So preferably on the left side. So remedy is move Mercury to third. That's green dot on shoulders.
First of all, this for a male is the right side. If you remember, I told you male, you see as if he's sleeping on the back, and when you see a female, you see that
Okay.
she's sleeping on the face. So if he's sleeping like
Okay.
this is the right side, not his left side.
Okay.
Okay, that is one thing.
Okay.
And what you said, Isko, how you got to the shoulder? 30, 60, 90 हो
So
गया ना?
see, move this to third.
What, Jupiter?
Mercury to third. Huh.
But why you moved Mercury to third?
Mercury.
Mercury कोई मार बैठा है तो
It's
Mercury
in
कोई
retro, na?
नहीं नहीं
Mercury is in retro.
तो उसका क्या लेना देना? That won't affect anyway. In KP actually retro बिट्रो नहीं पकड़ते ज़्यादा. In Krishnamurti Paddhati, no, retro is not
Okay.
taken. In Vedic it is considered, but when you do Horari or Prashna Kundali, that time retro is taken into account. So see, basically कैसा है ना,
Okay.
Rashmi, see six, ये जो house is affected, the house
हाँ.
lord is affected. So second house is affected and Mercury is affected. Mercury happens
Yes.
to be the Sukshma Dasha ka lord.
हाँ.
बराबर ना, ये मर्क्यूरी इफ यू सी सूक्ष्म दशा मर्क्यूरी का चल रहा है इधर, ये दिख रहा है इधर, ये मर्क्यूरी का सूक्ष्म दशा चल रहा है. अभी किधर गया, मर्क्यूरी का नक्षत्र लॉर्ड मार्स है, मैं उसका रिजल्ट मार्स दे रहे हैं. नाउ इफ यू सी ओवर हियर, ये जो ग्रीन में गोचर है मार्स, व्हिच इज दिस रेट्रोग्रेड व्हाट यू सेइंग, आर में मैंने लिखा है, दैट इज गिविंग अ डायरेक्ट 180 डिग्री हिट, seventh aspect to the second house.
Yes.
To the second house lord.
Hmm.
बराबर कि नहीं? So Mars और
Yes,
Mercury के बीच में पिंग पोंग चल रहा है.
Hmm.
Now Mars को हटाने का कि Mercury का हटाने का is the question.
Hmm.
So boss कौन है? Planet कौन है? Mercury.
Mercury. Hmm.
So Mercury
Okay.
plus यही house है जिसको मार लगा है. जो मार लगा है उसको मैं हटा के क्या करूँ? जो मार रहा है उसको हटाओ. Mars is basically a hitter, a soldier, a person who inflicts pain, a person who inflicts this thing. So Mars, like I keep saying, is the culprit. वो culprit को ही अपन move करके उसको healer बनाने का है. तो ये जो 180 डिग्री का हिट है वो 30, 60, 90, 120 पे लाके उसको मार्स को यहाँ रख दो तो he will give 30, 60, 90, 120 positive hit to the second house lord, to Mercury, to your सूक्ष्म दशा lord.
Okay. ठीक है.
बराबर ना?
So there I got wrong. I was trying to move that Mercury.
That is fine. You attempted it. That is credit. मुझे I am happy about that. That is creditable.
Okay.
नहीं good.
Thank you.
समझ में आ रहा है क्या? So basically ना,
Yes, yes.
all of you see now what we'll do is if you are doing this on a regular thing now, like I said, I'll keep sending you cases. उसका एक बेसिक ये ऐसा एनालिसिस कर लो कि कौन से हाउस को, आई हैव गिवन यू द फॉर्मूला इन द पोटली, कौन से हाउस को लग रहा है, हाउस के अंदर के प्लैनेट्स को लग रहा है कि नहीं देखो, उसके राशि को लग रहा है, राशि लॉर्ड को लग रहा है कि नहीं देखो, उसके कस्पल सब लॉर्ड को लग रहा है कि नहीं देखो. देन ऑन टॉप मार्क आउट द NAPS एंड उनका नक्षत्र लॉर्ड, सो यू नो विच आर द वंस विच एक्टिव. और ये जो नीचे का जो चार मिल रहा है उसमें से कौन सा एक्टिव में है उसको सर्कल करके रख दो. देन चेक इट विद दिस रेड ग्रीन चार्ट एंड विथ योर बेसिक चार्ट की whether they are hitting, and you will immediately come to two of them. Then decide which is the victim and which is the culprit. Move the culprit, give him there. All good? प्रीति बहन समझ, ऑल ओके, समझा ना? बॉबी, दिलीप काका कळलं ना? सुजाता, तृप्ति, रश्मी, श्रुति.
Yes, yes. Got it.
ऋषिकेश नाही कळलं?
थोडं कळलं.
नाही कळलं.
थोडं कळलं.
थोडं हाफ नॉलेज इज डेंजरस, थोडं कळणं इज डेंजरस. well, he was asking me whether I should attend. I don't. I said just come and just see, what is going on. Movie बनायच्या आधी कसं movie बनवतात ते बघता येते. In one sentence, I'll tell you, Rishikesh, what we do in this Potlika theorem na, is what are the issues that you're facing right now. And with a dot theory, just now I showed how to move that image, I'll teach you later. By just putting a dot on your body or by moving certain elements which are misplaced in your house or wrongly placed in your house, you actually make the planet which is giving you a negative hit, make it give you a positive hit. That is all. छोटे छोटे जो गोष्टी आहेत, टूथएक, स्टमक एक, हेडेक, ये टिंग टोंग like that, वो ऐसे ऐसे करके it gets solved. That is the big name of this entire thing. और क्या है? What else you want to discuss? Anything else? Okay, so basically what I would suggest is this thing which I showed you, the destiny management का thing, कि DBA कौन सा है और कौन सा दशा चल रहा है और उसका दशा का significations क्या है. You can watch the video again if you want, or you might have made the notation. Just take any random chart, और उसका दशा देखो और दशा lords के नक्षत्र lords देखो. Check करो whether they are untenanted or not. I am telling you the protocol, so you can in the video again you will see. Check whether they are untenanted or not. If they are untenanted, that planet is going to give its result along with the nakshatra lord. If it is tenanted, then the nakshatra lord will give the result. फिर उसका स्क्रिप्ट देखो, वो स्क्रिप्ट रेडीमेड नहीं मिलेगा. मेक द स्क्रिप्ट हाउ आई टोल्ड यू, वेयर इट इज सीटेड, वेयर इट इज रूलिंग, वेयर इट इज द कस्पल सब लॉर्ड ऑफ, वेयर इट इज द कस्पल नक्षत्र लॉर्ड ऑफ. दैट इज द पोटेंसी ऑफ दैट. And try to just anticipate that this guy is going to face the effects of 7th house, उसके नीचे the 4th house, उसके नीचे the 12th house, उसके नीचे the 11th house, टन. So एक roughly एक आपके सामने स्क्रिप्ट आ जाएगा कि क्या, what all he is going to experience. And maybe after a few research of this, then you can say that वो 4th house का भोगने वाला ऐसा दिख रहा है, and वो भोग रहा है. Let us say उसका कार का एक्सीडेंट हो रहा है 4th house, because 4th and 8th है, so 4th. So then do something which is positive from that 4th house, do something which is positive from the 8th house, because 8th house is causing the problem. So 8th house का problem, like I said just now, research करो, astrology करो, national geographic पढ़ो. So when the 8th house का obstacles के बदले you are taking on the astrology part, then the accidents over don't happen, then his car is moving smoothly. That is the second step you can do. Huh? इतना करो. Now we are meeting on Monday. Monday, na? Today is Thursday. So I'll send you some case tomorrow. Just analyze it. Try to analyze it at least. Like today Rashmi did. Rashmi गिर गई. Rashmi is out already. पढ़ भी चाहिए. So they do that analysis. However, right or wrong, whatever, just do it. And then we'll take it further. Maybe then next Thursday, every Thursday, maybe I'll teach you a theorem rather than teaching every turn. Every Thursday or every third turn or something, I'll teach you a theorem, because then it will become overdose of that. So just practice this, and I think that should be good. Okay, I'll put up the recording. You can see. Chalo. Good night.
Thank you. Good
Good night,
night.
everyone.
Night.
Thank you.
Night.
Thank you.
Trupti, good night.
Good night.